Hi everyone. Today is Mother's Day 2021 and we are at the cabin. We got here yesterday. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we decided that we would get up today and put up one of my Mother's Day flags. I have another one for Bearfoot Paradise. We're currently at Bearfoot Adventure. And so I just wanted to show you some of the painting that we've done. We kind of touched up the well. Most of you have seen the well and have played with the well. It does work. The bucket does go up and down. And last year in August, we built this roof. Well, we didn't. We had it built over the charcoal grill. And we have painted it today. We also painted the fences. The fences were put in last year in August, I believe, and we had given them a coat of paint. And of course, you know, the first coat isn't always that great. Second coat sure went on a lot easier. And since we had a little bit of paint left over, we decided that we would paint the picnic table and the little seat. Our cornhole boards are shot, so I'll be ordering new ones. I'm going to order the Trex so they can stay out year-round and hopefully last forever. So I'll be doing that tomorrow. So I hope you all have a great Mother's Day and stay tuned. Yep, this is a fun part of having a cabin. You have to scrub the decks. So my husband and I, we swap off doing the brush, you know, scrubbing. And then the next person gets to scrub, and that way we get to rest our backs. But this is all just part of it, folks.
Just give it another day of probably going more, you'll be fine. There's a bird hanging rod there. We'll buy a bird house hanging there. But they ain't no birds, I guess.